As an audio engineer, you create works of art. As a custom furniture maker, so do we. Like this epoxy resin studio workstation Chagrin Valley built exclusively for a prominent New York music producer.
So this is a desk for a customer. He is in Broadway and does a lot of work with music. So this is going to be kind of a studio music desk. What we did to incorporate that is he has a specialty keyboard, like a music keyboard, I guess, that is quite large. It's 5 inches tall and almost 60 inches long, so we had to make this specialty tray for a music keyboard. So that houses that. This desk also has LED lights and it lights up, so I'll get that plugged in. We got two dimmers right here. One controls each side of the table, so you can play with how bright it is.
If you have an idea for a studio desk of your own, you can co-design it with Chagrin Valley to meet all your equipment and personal needs. Add a roll-out shelf for a full-size keyboard. Speaker mounts designed specifically for your height. Room to keep your tabletop synths and your outboard gear. Add an epoxy resin river any color to complement your studio decor. Supplement it with meaningful items and memorabilia embedded in the epoxy. We can even CNC engrave your logo or other art into the tabletop and fill it with epoxy resin. For more information or to order your custom handcrafted studio desk, call Chagrin Valley Custom Furniture at 440-591-5511 or email customer service at chagrinvalleycustomfurniture.com.